Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and healthy at your home. I am Neha Gupta, your maths teacher. In previous video, we had completed up to page number 36. So today we will start with page number 37. Today's topic is before, after, between and comparing and arranging. Okay, so open page number 37 in your book. This is page number 37 in your book. Before, after, between. Question number 1. Write what comes before and after. Some numbers are given here. We have to write what comes before the number and what comes after the number. मीन्स ये नंबर दिया है, इसके पहले कौन सा नंबर आएगा और आफ्टर मीन्स इसके बाद में कौन सा नंबर आएगा. So for it, A part number is given 347. So before 347, 346 and after 348. Okay, so like this you have to do. B part number is 652. Before it 651 and after it 653. Number C number is 735. Before it 734 and after it 736. Now D part 230. Before it 229 and after it 231. Now E part number is 109. Before it 108 and after it 110. F part number is 499. Before it 498, after it 500. Okay. Now G part 500. Before 500 499 and after it 501. Now H part 855. So before it 854, after it 856. Now I part number is 998. Before it 997 and after it 999. Now J part 741. So before it 740 and after it 742. Now K part 666. Before it 665 and after it 667. Now last part 900. Before 900 899 and after 900 901. So okay, so like this you have to write before and after. Now question number 2. Write the number between. Two numbers are given here. We have to write the number which come in between. जो बीच में आएगा नंबर वो हमें लिखना है. So in A part 150 and 152 is given. So 151. Now B part 369 and 371 given. So between क्या आएगा 370. In C part 983 and 985. So between 984. In D part 742 and 744 is given. So 743 बीच में आएगा. So like this you have to do. In E part 599, F 226, G 376, H 853, I 981, J 450, K 702, L 399, M 501 and 635, O 889 and P 222. Okay, so like this you have to write the number between. Okay. Now question number 3. Fill in. A part the number before 456 इज, तो 456 से बिफोर मीन्स पहले क्या आएगा 455, एंड द नंबर आफ्टर इट इज, तो इस नंबर के आफ्टर यानी बाद में कौन सा नंबर आएगा 457. ओके, नाउ बी पार्ट, द टू नंबर्स आफ्टर 199, 199 के बाद टू नंबर्स लिखने हैं, तो कौन कौन से हैं 200 एंड 201. सी द टू नंबर्स आफ्टर 543 आर, 543 के बाद क्या आएगा 544 और इसके बाद 545. नाउ डी पार्ट, द टू नंबर्स बिटवीन 787 एंड 790, इन टू नंबर्स के बिटवीन के टू नंबर्स लिखने हैं हमें, तो 787 के बाद 788, 789 देन 790, सो बिटवीन के दो नंबर ये हैं. नाउ ई पार्ट, द टू नंबर्स बिटवीन 698 एंड 701 आर, सो द नंबर्स बिटवीन 698 and 701 are 699 and 700. So like this you have to fill in your book. Okay, now next page, page number 38. At page number 38, comparing and arranging. Question number 1, write more than, less than or equal. So we have to put the sign, हमें ये साइन लगाने हैं. In A part 231 and 435, so 435 is more than, so put this sign. B part 117 and 72, so 117 बड़ा है means more than है, so this, so like this you have to put the sign. C part 135 and 235, so here 235 is more than 135. Now D part 85, 324, so here 324 is more than, so this sign. E part 197 and 179, so here 197 is more. F part 376 and 296, so here 376 is more. So like this you have to put the sign. Okay, now the question number 2, ring the smallest and tick the largest. A part 5 numbers given here, 5 numbers आपको दिए हैं, आपको जो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है उस पर रिंग करना है मीन्स सर्किल करना है, और जो लार्जेस्ट मीन्स सबसे बड़ा नंबर है उस पर टिक लगाना है. तो ए पार्ट आपके लिए किया हुआ है. सो फ्रॉम बी पार्ट 5 numbers 890, 486, 365, 512, 256 and 809. So here the smallest number is 256, so circle it, and 890 is the largest number, so tick it. Now in number C, 793 is the smallest, so circle, and 996 is the largest, so tick. In D part 209 is smallest, so circle, and 765 is largest, so tick. In E part 16 is smallest, so circle, and 342 is largest, so tick. In F part 419 is smallest, so circle, and 731 is largest, so tick. Okay, like this you have to tick and circle. Now page number 39. This is page number 39 and same questions are here. Question number 1, write the sign. So I think it is very easy for you. You can do it or you can take help from here. आप यहाँ से हेल्प लेकर भी कर सकते हैं अगर आपको नहीं आ रहे हैं. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, रिंग द स्मॉलेस्ट एंड टिक द लार्जेस्ट. सेम क्वेश्चन. ए पार्ट, in this 112 is smallest, so circle, and 937 is larger, so tick. In B part, 152 is smallest, so circle, and 948 largest, so tick. In C part, 300 is smallest, so circle, and 590 largest, so tick. In D part, 103 is smallest, so circle, and 932 largest, so tick. Okay. Now the next question 3, write in ascending order, means from smallest to largest. 5 numbers are given here, sorry 6 numbers are given here. हमें इसमें सबसे पहले सबसे छोटा, फिर उससे बड़ा एंड लास्ट में सबसे बड़ा नंबर लिखना है. हमें अरेंज करना है इस नंबर फ्रॉम स्मॉलेस्ट टू लार्जेस्ट. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर का मतलब क्या होता है? स्मॉलेस्ट टू लार्जेस्ट. So in A part, numbers are given here. So smallest number is 203, then 227, then 317, then 413, then 552, and last 622. So like this you have to arrange. Now B part, 163, then 225, 400, 537, 662, and 897. C part, 364, then 528, 598, 610, 782, and 798. Now D part, first smallest number is 225, then 316, 368, 493, 552, and last 649 is largest number. In E part, 109 is smallest, then 200, 375, 390, 727, and last 830. So like this you have to write. In your book, writing should be neat and clean. Okay. Now question number 4, write in descending order, means largest to smallest. इसमें हमें सबसे पहले सबसे largest नंबर लिखना होगा, then smallest, means हमें पहले largest, फिर उससे छोटा, फिर उससे छोटा, लास्ट में सबसे छोटा नंबर. Then in A part, largest number is 221, then 180, then 172, 113, 105, and last 90. In B part, largest number is 631, then 552, then 450, then 442, then 420, and last 339. In C part, largest number कौन सा है? 884. इसके बाद कौन सा largest number है? 680, then 262, then 250, then 170, and last 117. In D part, largest number 844, then 768, then 720, 552, 492, and last 351 smallest. In E part, 821 is largest, then 763, then 749, then 688, 538, and last 536. Okay, like this you have to do. After writing this, you have to do ascending order and descending order in your copy. So this is your homework. आपको ये वर्क अपनी कॉपी पर होमवर्क में करना है. Okay, now I am ending this video. Do your homework properly and book work also. Okay, take care. Bye bye.